Ready, guys, then here we have already pasted our platinum in this distance. Now we are going to take the platinum and we are going to superimpose it on the magnet. We center it. Well, now we are going to open the door. We give the distance above with the sheet and we start everything that is the installation. And this then, there we have it up here. We have the mark that we had made now previously. Down. Now, we had already marked there in the marking that is perfect. Now here we are going to take the distance up where it gave us that we separate 2 centimeters. We go back down. And now in this part of here, we already remove the stop. We close our door. And now we are going to do what is the perforation for this perforation. We only need this part of a block of an octave ready, and only if not to drill. Now we are going to drill the next. We clean, and now we proceed to tighten our guide. We are going to place a thumb screw. We are going to put this first. There is an advantage with the black-white screws. They are difficult to break the blacks. And it has been very good ready now. We are going to open our door and we are going to see how it has been. I hope you see it well from there. Ready now. We open our door and see how it has been, that a boy is perfect if you saw. And boys, I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and share our videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you.